How to find and install Epson Laser Printer driver. Here are the steps to find and install an Epson Laser Printer driver. 1. Identify your printer model. Check the label on your Epson Laser Printer to find the exact model name and number. This is essential for finding the correct driver. 2. Go to Epson's driver download website. Go to Epson's website at epson.com/support and find the option to download drivers and utilities. You can search for your specific printer model here. 3. Select your printer model. Enter your Epson printer model name or number in the search bar. Select it from the drop-down list when it appears. 4. Select your operating system. Choose whether you need the driver for Windows or Mac. Select the version of the OS you are using, like Windows 10 or Mac OS 10.15. 5. Download the driver file. Click the download button and allow the correct printer driver file to download to your computer. Take note of the file location. 6. Run the driver installer as admin. Navigate to and double-click on the printer driver file you downloaded to launch the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to install. 7. Add printer in OS settings. Finally, add or connect your Epson printer model within your Windows or Mac print settings. Test printer by printing a test page. Contact Epson Technical Help if you have any issues with finding drivers on their official website or specific installation problems.